As a student union, KSU, we visit today in the spot. After seeing and visiting the place, we feel very bad seeing the forest department, the way they treat our people living here in this village. So, from KSU, we strongly condemn the forest department for doing all this to our people, destroying their property. This is only the way where they can get their livelihood, they can feed the children. So, if the forest department continue like this, we from KSU will not stay quiet. We are going to go ahead, move with some action. So we demand the government to give the compensation to each of the family, 5 family who are affected by this forest officer here, and to suspend all involved in this case, destroying the land of our people here who are staying. We want the suspension of all of them. Once again, we strongly condemn this, what the forest have did to. As a community, we feel very upset to hear this kind of news that our people livelihood should be cut down, and demand our needs. What we have done was the forest department that they have to come and cut down our livelihood. All these children, what they will eat now? We request and strongly demand immediate compensation should be there for these poor families. We should not be the victim of this eviction order. This is our demand.
आज का बात नहीं है, इट्स हैपनिंग फॉर मेनी डिकेड्स। ये जल्द से जल्द बंद होना है और डीओपो को आई एम गिविंग वार्निंग टू डीओपो पर्टिकुलरली फ्रॉम माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। मिस्टर डीओपो, यू प्लीज स्टॉप योर ऑल इलीगल एक्टिविटीज, otherwise you will face so many consequences as per law of the land. So we are going to file a case if necessary in Guwahati Honorable High Court, even Supreme Court also. We are going to file a case for our safety and security and protection and preservation of our identity, culture, tradition, लैंग्वेज एवरीथिंग। यहाँ का फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को हम बोलना चाहता हूँ कि उल्टा बांग्लादेशी लोग को फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर नहीं होके वो लोग रह रहे हैं यहाँ मोर देन 1000 इस एरिया में, तो उन लोग का तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। उल्टा बोले गवर्नमेंट का ऑर्डर है, ऑर्डर दिखाओ कहाँ ऑर्डर है आपका। यू शुड हैव टू नो वेरी क्लियर दैट व्हाट इज फॉरेस्ट राइट एक्ट, व्हाट इज द फॉरेस्ट राइट ऑफ दिस फॉरेस्ट लॉ ऑफ असम।